Hello everybody, Pradeep Vyas this side, and today I will tell you that how you can create a credit repair billboard post in Canva by this simple method.
So first of all, we will go in Canva and we'll create a custom design which will be 1500 width and 843 height. Got it? Now what you have to do, you will write a text here which will say money talks but credit holds conversation. Okay, after writing this, we will change the font of it to Antonio Bold, and then we'll make some changes in text. Got it? You can make like this. Then we'll select a 3D credit score icon. Here you can see 3D credit score icon. We'll scroll down. Here we can see an icon. Now what we have to do, we will change the color of Holds conversation into red. Got it? And then what we'll do, we'll choose the Instagram ID. So first of all, we'll select a line here. This line will be good, and we'll convert it into black. You can always reduce the size if you want. Then we'll go to text. For example, I'm writing my Instagram ID. Then we will select a picture. I think this will be good. And what we will do, we will select a background. This background. Then we will reduce the transparency like this. Then what we have to do, we will go to home and then we'll select apps. There's an option called smart mockups. After that, you can see this billboard here, and we'll select. Here's two options: upload and design. We'll select in design. We will go and resend, and this one we edited. So click, select. Then you can see here in pictures our billboard is ready. So it's very easy to make, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram, and I will update you with all these tutorials. Thank you.